Okay, we were studying soil and natural vegetations. Yes. Hmm? Okay. So till now we have studied that. Yes. Natural soil types we have studied. Yes. Now we just have to study natural vegetations. Different types of soils were there, right? That is arid soils, forest soil. We have studied all of them. Okay, so should we study now natural vegetation? That is first type we studied, tropical evergreen forest. Hmm? So now that is, let us see about tropical deciduous forest or monsoon forest. So it will be wet and the rain will be between 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Okay, so what are the types of plants? So what will be
Sir,
there?
I got my GK book.
Hmm? Yes.
Sir, I got my GK book.
Okay, good. So this is tree shed their leaves at the same time of the year. So all the trees shed their leaves at same time. So you will feel woods are moderately hard, found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, northeast states, and Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Right? So northeast region. Okay, so you will find this. Hmm? So tropical deciduous forest. So which of the trees will be there? Teak, sal, shisham, bamboo, kher, and sandalwood trees will be growing. And the animals which will be living is, that is tiger, deer, elephant, lizard, snakes, and tortoise. Okay, so these are the animals. Understand? So dry deciduous is, the rainfall will be less, that is between 70 to 100 centimeter. Okay. And the trees here in the dry deciduous will be teak, sal, people, and neem trees will be there. Yes. So these are the, this is about tropical deciduous forest. Okay, good. So here deciduous means, so this deciduous is there, right? So deciduous means what? That is they will shed their leaves only once in a year, annually. Deciduous means annually, that is only once in a year. Okay, understood? That is deciduous. Okay, so other plants will be, they will be shedding leaves seasonally, right? Yes. So every season they will shed the leaves, but here deciduous means they will shed only once in a year. That you mean by deciduous. Understand? So deciduous forest means they will shed the leaves only once in a year, annually. Okay, so here we are in the, there are three heat zones. Frigid, that is Arctic Circle, Antarctic. Temperate means there will be less heat because sun rays will not be direct. But on the torrid zone, that is near the equator, India lies near the equator, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the what is that, sun rays will be directly falling on the what, torrid zone, so it will be very heat. Okay. Yes. So that is why that is torrid zone. Okay, so that is it. hmm? So tropical means it will be falling in the torrid zone. Okay, so that is the difference between different type of forest, right? That is this. Okay, so if you see, depending upon the type of trees, type of rain, how much rain is received, and then also what, that is the dense what is the trees growing will be, the different types of forest will be there. So if you see, next is thorn forest and bushes. Thorn forest means the trees which have thorn will be growing, and bushes, they will not be big trees, they will be bush, small bushes. So mostly thorn bushes and trees. Okay, so they are deep rooted, found in north and western part of the country, where in the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Okay, so what are the plants? That is acacia, palms, euphorbias and cacti. These are the thorns plants, right? So the animals living will be rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, sometimes tigers, lions, and wild horses and camels. So these animals will be living there. Okay, so next is Himalayan mountain range forest. Okay, in that we know Himalaya mountains is in the range of where, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, near there, right? So, and one more is wet temperate. Means wet temperate means very high rainfall, very high rainfall. Okay, so 100 to 200 centim that is 1000 to 200 centimeter, that is the elevation, I think. Yes. Okay, so this is the elevation maybe, so 1000 to 2000 meter. So next is temperate, between 1500 to 3000 meter, that is the height. Elevation means height. If you take the mountain like this till here, let us take it is 100 meter, then it is till here 500 meter, right? That is the elevation. So this is given elevation, so there will be difference, right? So that is, now temperate is between 1500 to 500 meter, right? So height it is. Okay, elevation means height. Alpine forest will be below 3600 meter, and tundra vegetation and all. So here broad leaves will be there. Okay, so the broad leaves, why? Because yes, that is to get the more sunlight, because in those tropical Himalayan mountains there will be ice falling, so sunlight will be less at a time, right? So that is why, to get more sunlight, they will be broad. Okay, right? And coned shape trees will be coned shape. Why coned shape? Because if the ice falls, it should fall down.
Will slide.
Yes, it should slide, it should not stay on it, right? If ice falls, it should slide down. Okay, so that is why trees will be coned shape. Okay. Needle like leaves to protect from snow deposition. Yes, the snow, if it falls, it should fall directly down. Otherwise, if it stays on that, what will happen? They will not be able to get the sunlight, it will get covered, right? So grassland used by pastoral nomads of the area. So they will be nomads, that is moving from one place to other, right? The grazing animals and all. Okay, so no trees and grasslands are found. So big trees and grass will not be there, because it is very cold. It is very cold means what will happen? That is, snow will be there, so grasses will not be there, so grasslands will not be there, grass will not grow there. Okay, on the ground everywhere will be snow. So the trees which you can find is oak and chestnuts, and pine and decker silver and spruce. Okay, spruce will be there. That is Himalayan mountain region. It is oak trees. Okay. And next is this wet temperate is pine and deodar. Okay. And here in temperate region you will find what, that is juniper and pine and beeches. Okay, this is in temperate. And alpine region, mosses and lichens trees. So what are the different animals living? Kashmir stag and spotted deer. Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep. Ships will be grazing, right? In the mountain region you may have seen people will be taking ships to graze, that is ships. Okay, so jack, rabbits, Tibetan antelope, etc. Antelope will also be looking like a deer only, but it will be different. Okay, so these are the animals. Yes, so next we will see, that is mangrove forest. Mangrove forest will be like tidal. Why tidal? Because it will be near the water or in the water also, right? Like this, that is why we say it as tidal. So roots of the trees are submerged under the water. Yes, inside the water only. Okay, so roots will be inside the water. So sundari trees are found which provide hard timber. Okay, in those forest. So found in the deltas of Ganga, Sundarbans. You may have heard Sundarbans, right? These are the forest. Okay, so that is in the Ganga region of river. Okay,
Sir, Sundarbans held Chikkamgaluru, sir.
yes. Okay, so Mahanadi rivers, it will be in the river areas, that is the deltas. Okay, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. Okay, in those deltas. Which will be the trees which you will find mainly? Palm oil, palm trees, right? So palm oil trees, coconut, cura and agar. So these are the trees you will find mainly. And the animals which will be there is Royal Bengal tiger. In the Ganga region you will find Royal Bengal tiger and turtle, crocodile, gharials and snakes. These are the different animals you will find there. Okay, yes. Any doubt here? So these are the different types of forest, right? You can remember them little bit, you can differentiate between them, right? Yes. Okay, so easy. Now let us see questions. It may be difficult for you to remember the chapter. You read the questions, you will understand it easily. Okay, yes. So here soil is made up of which of the following elements? Yes, organic matter, living organism, minerals. Yes, all of the above. That is in the soil, that is in the ground, you will find all of it. That is organic matter means tree, leaves, everything will be there inside. Organic matter, living beings, everything. Living organisms will also be staying, worms, insects, those are all, right, will be there. And minerals, in the ground you will find all the minerals. And that is why all of the above is the answer. Okay, in the soil. So next, what is decayed material in soil called? What do we say? Humus. What? That is humus. Decayed material. What do you mean by decayed material? Yes, if you throw leaves, or if you throw banana peel, right? So what will happen? After some time it will get discolored. Yes, isn't it? Let's take banana peel. Okay, banana peel, it will get discolored, right? And after that discoloration it will get shrunken, everything will be black color, right? So then what will happen? Bacterias will decompose it. What it will do? It will decompose. It will become decomposed. It will get mixed with the soil. When it will decompose, that is we say it as decayed material. What it is?
That time it will also become soil.
Yes, it is mixed in the soil, then it is decayed material. Okay, so that is it will become next is soil. Okay, it will get mixed with the soil. That is organic material. If you see plastic and all, it will not get decay, right? It needs so much long time. That is why they are telling don't use plastic. Yes, that is banning plastic, banned, right? So that is why we should use only what, paper based things that will get decayed. If you throw it down, it will get in the soil, otherwise plastic and all will not be decayed. Okay, so that is we said as humus. Okay, which is the uppermost layer of the soil that contains humus? Which is it?
Topsoil.
Yes,
Topsoil.
yes, so that is topsoil. Okay, we say it as topsoil. Uppermost soil, that is the topsoil. Next, which soil is said to be the most fertile soil in India? Yes, red, saline, alluvial, rigor. Alluvial soil. What? Alluvial soil. Okay, so that is you have
Sir,
to.
for me different question is there.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay.
Huh. So alluvial soil, how is it formed? Yes, mainly near the rivers, near the river deposition. What? River deposition. What will happen when flood will come? Flood water brings the dust, dirt, everything. That when it deposits, that becomes the alluvial soil. Okay, that is very fertile. Next, in India, maximum areas is covered by which soil?
Laterite.
Yes,
Laterite.
not laterite. It is alluvial soil. Which soil?
Alluvial soil.
Alluvial soil. Okay, so it is available. We saw it is 46%. Right? Alluvial soil is mostly maximum area is covered with alluvial soil. Okay. Huh. So next, sixth one. Khadar soil are found in where?
Foothills.
Yes, flood plains. Yes, flood plains. Okay, so we know that is there will be two different alluvial soils. Yes, isn't it? So alluvial soil is divided between Khadar and Bhagar, right? Yes, Khadar,
Yes, sir.
alluvial soil, Khadar and Bhangar, right? So Khadar means every year flood will come. New soil we say it as. Every year flood will come. Right? But Bhangar means that is not the same. Right? So it is alluvial only,
It is
but
less fertile.
less fertile. Okay, Bhangar. That is why it is said Bhangar. Right? Bhangar means which is not so useful. Right? That is we give it to Bhangar. So Khadar means new soil. Every year it will come. Okay? Yes. So next, seventh, black soil is also known as which soil?
Regular soil.
Reger soil. Yes, it is known as Reger soil. Which soil? Reger soil. Okay, good. Which of the following soil is most suitable for growth of cotton? Yes.
Black soil.
Yes, it is black soil. Cotton grows in the black soil. Okay, remember that. Next, while traveling through certain parts of India, red soil can be seen. What is the main reason for this color in the soil? What will be present in the red soil? Yes.
Presence of iron oxide.
Yes, iron will be there. That is iron oxides will be there. So
The
red
sun
soil.
will be red color.
So that is why it will be red color. So iron will be there in the red soil. Okay, good. Next is what type of climate is considered most favorable for the development of laterite soil? Yes. that is tropical wet climate. Tropical wet climate. Yes, so it will be there in tropical wet climate. Tropical wet climate means, wet means heavy rain. Wet means heavy rain. Tropical means heavy heat, that is more heat, that is high temperature. Heat will be more, that is temperature. Okay, write it as heat or temperature, more temperature. Okay, tropical means, tropical means that is the tropic region, that is temperature will be more. Okay, so we know frigid, if this is the earth, frigid, there are three, right? Frigid, then which will come? Tropic and torrid. Yes, frigid means all will be very cold in the tropic, Antarctic and Arctic circle, right? So torrid, that is tropic, and temperate or tropic we say, and torrid region, so much heat, but tropic it is lesser than that, but heat will be there. Okay, so that is tropical region. Okay, so that is in between frigid and torrid, so high heat, more heat will be there. So that is why tropical wet climate is required for what? Laterite soil. Okay. So next is deforestation affects for what? Only wild animals, human beings, only climate, all of the above. Deforestation, afforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? Yes,
Cutting the trees.
Cutting trees. Okay, cutting trees of the forest. And afforestation means,
Planting.
yes, afforestation means planting trees. Okay, so when you cut the trees, there the living beings which are dependent on that, everyone will get affected, and also climate gets affected, right? Rain and all will change, rain patterns, weather patterns changes. Yes, if you see near the tree, it will be little cold, right? Yes, and it stops the flow of the air also. Yes, so that is why, so everything will change, that is all of the above, wild animals, it affects human beings and climate conditions. Okay. So 12th one, lateral soil is not found in which of the following states? In which states?
Tamil Nadu.
Punjab regions. You will not find in the Punjab regions. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh, you will find it. Okay. Okay, so next is 13th. Which of the following soil is very hard to cultivate? That is, yes, alluvial, black, sandy, red soil. Which? Sandy soil. That is sandy soil. Sandy means sand will be there. Can you cultivate anything? Can you grow crop there? Cultivation means what? Growing crops. Yes. Can you grow crops in the sandy region, that is desert? Yes. You cannot grow. It is very difficult, very hard. Desert, you cannot grow. So that is why sandy soil. Okay. So next, which type of soil is called forest soil? Which is it? Saline soil, peaty soil, desert soil, mountain soil. Which soil? Mountain soil is forest soil. Okay. Yes, remember. Next, 15th, which of the following states mountain soil is not found? Which? Maharashtra. Yes, in the Maharashtra it is not found. Okay, so if you see, it is kind of flat region, only western ghats will come there. Okay, so Himachal Pradesh is very mountain region. Uttarakhand, Sikkim, all are mountain regions. Okay, heavy mountains will be there, right? So that is why. So next is, which soil has high water holding capacity? Which soil has?
Clay soil.
loamy, clayey, sandy, loamy.
Clay
Yes,
soil.
yes,
Clay.
that is
Clay soil.
yes. Okay, clay soil. Okay, so clay soil will be holding high water. Yes. Hmm. Clay soil. Okay. Hmm. So remember that. Next, should we go next?
Say regular soil.
Black soil is also known as
Regular soil. Regular soil.
Reger soil. We just now saw that question repeated, right? This is the question we asked. Okay, Reger soil. Okay. Next, 18. Which of the following soil is known as Usra soil? Which? Yes, that is saline soil. Which soil?
Saline soil.
Saline soil is known as Usra soil also. Okay. Okay. Which among the following soil is rich in organic matter?
Petty soil. Petty soil. Petty soil.
Peat. Yes, peaty soil. Peat. That will be very fine and smooth. Right? That is peat. Peat soil. Okay. Yes, peaty soil is the answer. Okay. Yes. Next, 20. Where are the tropical evergreen forest located? Where?
All of the above.
Yes.
All of
Yes, all of the above. Andaman Nicobar, Western Ghats, Assam. All of the above is the answer. Okay. Next, wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind. What do we say?
soil erosion.
Yes, soil erosion. Okay. So I will tell you what do you mean by soil erosion. Okay. So there is mountain. This is mountain. There will be soil, top soil will be there, right? So but when rain comes, what will happen? It will carry the soil with it, right? Rain, so it will carry the soil. That is soil erosion. Okay, when you may have seen, when rain comes near your area, everything will be cleaned, right? Yes, dust, everything, it will take it away. That is the soil erosion. Okay, in the fields, when rain falls with the water, top soil will be carried away. Yes, that is soil erosion. Okay. So next is, dash is the most fertile soil? Alluvial, red, black, or lateral? Yes, alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. Okay, good. Next, 23. Which of the following is not the species of tropical evergreen forest? Yes, which?
Sir, it was that
Sandalwood. Which?
options.
Yes, sandalwood will not be there in tropical evergreen forest. Okay.
But rosewood and ebony only.
Yes, rosewood, mahogany, ebony will be there. Okay. Yes, so sandalwood will be found in tropical deciduous forest. Which?
Tropical deciduous.
Yes, tropical deciduous. I told you what you mean by tropical. Tropical means more temperature. Deciduous means only once in a year. They will be shedding once in a year leaves. Okay, sandalwood shed once in a year. But tropical evergreen, evergreen means the trees will be what? Evergreen. Okay, so they will continuously shed the leaves and they will continuously grow, not at one time, right? But tropical, one time at 1 year, all the leaves will fall down, right? And you will see like branches only, like that. Yes. So next, 24. Which forest are also referred as monsoon forest? Which forest?
Tropical evergreen forest.
No, deciduous. Tropical deciduous forest are considered as monsoon forest. Okay. Next, 25. Natural vegetation which covers the maximum geographical area of India is which? Which natural vegetation?
Evergreen forest.
No,
Evergreen forest.
not evergreen. If you see everywhere, when you go in the summer, when you go in the summer, we'll see all the trees evergreen. Will you see trees everywhere? Will you see it all the leaves? You will not see.
Yes, sir.
We have deciduous forest.
Deciduous forest.
Yes, so evergreen means always trees will be there. That may be in the regions where rainfall will be heavy, right? But not everywhere. So everywhere you will find maximum tropical deciduous forest. Okay, so in the summer you may have seen trees will be shedding leaves, maximum trees, right? It will be dry everywhere, right? So in the area in the India we have tropical deciduous forest. Which forest? Tropical deciduous forest. Okay. Next, 26, the largest delta of the world is, yes, Sundarbans Delta. Okay, Sundarbans Delta. So where is Sundarbans Delta? In which uh, basin of the river? Ganga. Ganga basin. Okay, Ganga and Brahmaputra regions. Okay, yes, Sundarbans are there in Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. Okay. 27, the forest that receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall in India are which forest? Yes,
Tropical thorn forest.
yes, tropical thorn forest. Which forest? Tropical thorn forest. Okay. So next, which forest are the habitat for the wild ass and camels? Which? Thorn forest. Which forest? Thorn forest and bushes. Okay, so camels means camels will be in desert, right? So that is desert type of forest will be thorn forest. Yes, in the desert cacti and all will be growing. Yes, okay, you can remember like that. Next, which of the following species of trees is not found in Himalaya mountain region? Which forest? Yes, which? Teak tree. You will not find teak tree. Teak trees is found in tropical deciduous forest. Which? Tropical deciduous. Okay. Yes. Okay. So should we go next? That is thick vegetation of mangroves is present in where? Yes. Yes. That is in Sundarbans. Okay. So mangrove forest is in near, that is in the river deltas. Right? It will be in river deltas. That is Sundarbans. Okay. Next is 31. Royal Bengal tiger is famous animal of which forest?
Mangrove
Yes.
forest.
Yes, that is mangrove forest. Yes, mangrove forest near the river delta. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
These are
So I
the
have more
questions.
questions, sir.
Okay. You have more questions? Send it in the group. Okay. So this is
Okay,
about
sir.
the questions. You read the questions, you will understand easily. Okay. And then if you read the notes, it will be easy. Okay. Good.